So now students, let us solve another numerical number 2 on the topic of techniques of water distribution. Right, so the numerical is, it says that the time required, right? So the time required to irrigate a strip of area 0.203 hectares. Always keep in mind the units, right? Always keep the units in mind. Hectares by a stream discharge of 0.043 cumac. So here cumac is given and then the hectares is given, okay? To provide an average depth is given as 6.35 centimeter, right? To the field is take the infiltration capacity as 5 centimeter per hour, right? So it's a very straightforward same question which we already solved, numerical number 1. This numerical number 2 is also similar to numerical number 1, right? So you know that the time required for irrigation is given by 2.303 y by I, right? Log base 10 of q divided by q minus ai. Simple, right? Okay, so what we have to do, we have to calculate the time. Now it is hours. In hours it is given the options, right? So we will determine the time in hours. So time period will be equal to 2.303 into y. How much is y? 6.35 centimeter. So 6.35 centimeter divided by I. I is how much? I is 5 centimeter per hour. So this is centimeter, this is centimeter, centimeter got cancelled out, R goes to the numerator. So whatever answer we will be getting in hours. Okay. In that is we have log base 10. Now Q is how much? Q is 0.043 cumac, right? 0.043 cumac divided by 0.043 minus area 0.203 hectares. So I told you that 100 1 kilometer square is equals to 1 hectare, right? Second unit, I told you that 10 raised to the power 4 meter square is equals to 1 hectare, right? 1 kilometer square is equals to 100 hectares. 100 hectares and 10 raised to the power 4 meter square is 1 hectare, right? So what we have to do, we have to get the units of area in meter square. Why? Because this is cumac. Cumac means meter cube per second. So the unit of length is in meters, right? So it will be equal to 0.203 into 10 raised to the power 4 meter square is the area multiplied by I. I is how much? 5 centimeter per hour. So we have to convert centimeter into meter. Why? Because every unit is a meter and we have to convert R into seconds. Why seconds? Because here it is cumac, meter cube per second, right? So that is why in seconds. So it will be equal to 5 divided by 100, right? So 5 divided by 100. Then we have 5 divided by 100. Then we have centimeter per hour, right? So R will be equal to, in seconds, it will be equal to 60 minutes into 60 seconds, right? So this will be the answer. So the answer will be, let me calculate how much it comes out to be. So the answer will come out to be 2.303 into 6.35 divided by 5. It comes out to be 2.9241 into log of how much log of now this is a fraction 0.043 divided by 0.043 and minus I have 0.203 into 5 into 10 raised to the power 4 and divided by we have 100 into 3600 and we have the closed bracket. So it comes out to be 1.35 hours, right? So the answer, it comes out to be 1.35 hours. Answer, it comes out to be 1.35 hours. And again I am repeating, so the D is the correct answer. And again I am repeating, as you know that I am doing calculation with this scientific calculator. But in GATE examination, you will not be provided with a scientific calculator. You will be given a scribble pad for rough work and you will be given an on-screen calculator. So to make you handy with the on-screen calculator, what I can suggest you is that whenever I am solving any numerical, you don't have to use this type of calculator, right? This type of calculator we were using earlier, 2014, 15, 13, right? But nowadays we are not using this calculator. We have an on-screen calculator, right? So an on-screen calculator, what I can recommend you is that if you are using Android smartphones, then go to the Google Play Store and type scientific calculator for GATE. So you will get a GATE calculator which is almost similar to the calculator that will be there on the screen, right? And if you are not using an Android phone, if you are using an iPhone, then there is no application on iPhone. So what I can do is that go to Google Chrome or go to Apple Safari or whatever and type on Google, type scientific calculator for GATE. So you will get a TCS Ion link, TCS Ion something dot link. Well, first thing you will be getting a TCS Ion. You click on that, you will be getting a scientific calculator which is exactly as per the calculator which you are getting in the GATE examination, right? So this is what I can recommend you, because if you are doing calculation, I have seen many students, they do very good calculation, they are very fast, but what they're doing is that they are not doing calculation based on the online calculator. They are doing calculation with this calculator, and in examination they make a lot of mistakes. For example, if you want to calculate square root of 64, it will be equal to 8. So in this calculator you will be giving command square root and 64 will be getting answer. But there in the scientific calculator, first of all you have to put the number 64 and then you have to give the command square root, then you will be getting 8. So this is the thing, right? So you have to be well versed with the online calculator, right? So don't use this calculator. I am using this calculator just to make you understand how to do the calculations. Okay, so I hope, student, that you have understood numerical number 2 on techniques of water distribution. It was also about your border irrigation. Right? Sometimes what is happening in that in examination, it is asked that calculate the Amax. That is the maximum area that can be calculated. I told you that Amax is given by Q divided by I. So how much is Q? So Q is 0.043. So 0.043 divided by I, the infiltration capacity, is equals to 5 centimeter per hour. So we have to convert the 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter per hour into seconds, right? So it will be 5 upon 100 meters into, it will be equal to the hours will go to the numerator into 60 into 60. So this is the meter square area which it can irrigate easily. And if you want to calculate it in hectares, you have to divide it with 10 raised to power 4. You will get the area in hectares. Okay? So I hope that you have understood what type of numericals can be asked from this topic. That is the techniques of water distribution, and the most important topic being border irrigation. Okay? So now let's move forward and let's study about some other water requirements, right? So what are the basic chemical water requirements for crops, for irrigation? So let's go to that topic now. Thank you.